Hey Rishabh, you inquired about classic quartz watches for men. Explore these top 3 timeless pieces crafted to make a lasting impression. These watches combine precision, style, and versatility, making them perfect for any occasion. First up is the Frederique Constant Classic Quartz Chronograph. This Swiss-made timepiece features a classic white dial and is encased in stainless steel. With a durable black leather strap, it offers both style and comfort. The FC296 Quartz movement provides chronograph function along with day, date, and month features, and it is also water resistant up to 50 meters. Next is the Cerruti 1881 Dervio Brown Strap Watch. This stylish men's analog timepiece features a sleek black round dial protected by mineral glass. Its genuine brown leather strap adds elegance and comfort, and it's secured by a buckle clasp. With a stainless steel case, quartz movement, and water resistance, this watch combines functionality and sophistication. Lastly, the Versace Antares Grey Watch. This striking watch features a bold titanium case with a sleek grey finish and showcases iconic Versace elements like the 3D Greca and Medusa head on the dial. With its quartz movement and 50 meters of water resistance, this timepiece perfectly blends modern trends with Versace's signature style. Comment below what you want us to cover next.